getting there. Stuff everywhere. Seems to be, we have a lot of stuff. No idea. Nice shot.
Good morning, everybody. It's a little different, I guess. We got half of this video is going to be yesterday afternoon, half of it this morning. Well, what a change in scenery. We're right back to winter. It just doesn't want to go away, I guess. Those are some big flakes, too. You can see it up against the bus, maybe. Hope you can see it's snowing there anyway. It's a little bit of a change. It's not super cold. It did drop down, though. Southern Saskatchewan actually is getting rain and freezing rain. And I guess we're getting snow. I don't know how long it's going to last or how much we're going to get, but there's a significant snowfall happening. And you can see in the distance, it's like normally you can see that tree line way out there. Oop. Now it's pretty foggy there, not foggy, just harder to see. Anyway, I worked late last night to get everything packed on here. Got some footage there. I pulled this my swather out. Somebody bought that, and they called yesterday wondering if I could pull it out and get it ready into transport mode. So it's ready to go. They can just hook up and go. And then the bale wrapper I pulled out and we started loading stuff up on it. I've got a couple of totes of feed, that some oats and some peas to take along for our critters. And then these two wagon frames I pulled apart. So those are the two rear axles. I'm going to replace the front axles. I bought one when I bought the wrapper back this fall to turn it into a hay wagon. So I've got the tires along, and I'll put them on the front axle, and then I'll have to buy one more front axle. So I got that all on here, and I got my wood splitter on here, and I had everything loaded up. Unfortunately, when I was all done last night, it was dark, and I was going to park this thing back inside because I don't like it out in the snow here. Turns out it ran out of gas, and of all things, the gas tank is underneath all of that stuff. So that'll be my project this morning, to get that freed up and see if I get some gas in there. Hopefully I don't have to unload everything. I'm hoping I can find some way of sneaking some gasoline in there. But that's good to go. Slowly but surely we're getting everything done. I've got the trucks ordered, like I've said, and we are just trying to get everything that we need the tractors for done. So loading people up, pulling things out of the snow. I brought one more bin over to the neighbors yesterday down the road. So there's one more here yet to bring. But just trying to get everything that I might need a tractor for out of the way, and then they can go on the truck. I don't know when they're going to call. He basically is looking for, I think, a return load back from Ontario. So whenever he's done, when he figured that out, then I guess they'll just call me and tell me there's going to be a truck coming. So I don't know how much notice I'm going to get. I want to get everything out of the way. I've got some freezers to put in the bus today, and what else was there yet? There's a couple more heavy items that need moving that I can't really do by hand that we'll use a tractor for. And then when that's done, I will bring the tractors to town. And well, I'll probably wait until I hear from him, I guess. I don't want them sitting there too long. But there's a loading dock at the tractor dealership in town. I'll bring them there, and we'll get them ready to load up. So we also got to keep working on this cattle trailer, getting that all sorted out and organized. Sorry for the wind. It's probably blowing in there pretty bad. Maybe I'll find a quieter spot again. But that's what we're working on today. We'll show more footage of that in tomorrow's video probably. I hope everybody's doing great and doing well. So many people are sort of self-quarantined now at home and probably bored out of their minds. For us and for but homesteading families like us, this is pretty normal. We spend most of our time right here in self-quarantine, I guess. We just live like this and don't go to town that often and spend all our time here at home. Our kids are homeschooled, so school closure doesn't affect us, or we wouldn't even know it existed. Basically, if we didn't have our cell phone, we would never even know there's an issue going on in the world. Life just carries on out here. And especially in this corner of Saskatchewan, I mean, we haven't seen a panic. We haven't seen anything. Everybody's just basically carrying business as usual. Grocery store, the one time we went to the grocery store, mind you, that was an hour away. I was getting tractor parts there. There was some shortages of stuff, and there was a security guard in the grocery store. Just to keep people from hoarding, I think, was the main thing. But now things are back to normal here in the grocery store. There's no limits on food. There's no limits on some stuff you could buy. Everything's back to normal, business as usual, and the world keeps going. So yeah, whoever's stuck at home, I feel bad for you, I guess. I think maybe from this all people can learn to just become more self-reliant and find more other things to do. Maybe if it's possible for you, maybe this will be an opportunity to get out of the city, get out of wherever you are, and go find a nice place out in the sticks and live this beautiful life that we've been so blessed to have. So anyway, we appreciate your thoughts and prayers. A lot of you people have been expressing that you're doing that for us as we get ready for this big journey. We will be transitioning from a 1,500 square foot home to a 250 square foot home. Probably do some more on that. Anissa did show a little bit of the trailer, but I think I'll walk you through there in a video coming up soon. So yeah, we'll take care of that. But that's going to be quite a transition. 1,500 square feet with 7 children is sometimes not enough, and so now we're going to go into 250 square feet, and that will be our home right there. That will be our home for the for the foreseeable future, I guess, until we find something else. So yeah, looking forward to camping. I hope it stops snowing. I'm pretty sure in Ontario right now it is not snowing, but still not super warm. We had the closing date set for May 1st. It would be a lot warmer then, but now of course we're trying to speed this up because of this coronavirus thing. So yeah, I don't know. It's got heat in the trailer, I guess. We'll be all right probably. So hope you enjoy the video, and just want to thank everybody for coming along on the ride and all of our videos. We really appreciate it. We are now at 501 subscribers. We got there last night sometime, I guess this morning it was at 501 subscribers. So big thank you to all of you people, and just appreciate if you keep sharing our videos. Kind of hindered us a little bit having Facebook shut down. That was a big support for us as we could post our videos on there and reach more people. So with the new Facebook page, I guess we'll be starting that again and slowly reaching more people. But in the meantime, if you guys could just share our videos to anyone you think might be interested, that'd be a great boost and great appreciation to us. Or we really appreciate it. I mean, it's a great boost to us, and we really appreciate it. And yeah, just share it to anyone you think might enjoy this content and enjoy what we're doing. What we have coming up is a tour across the country, I guess, back to Ontario. We'll be living in our trailer, like I said, and we will be looking for a new home. What we're looking for is bare land, and going to carve a piece out of that. I don't know if there'll be a laneway or not. I have no idea what we're going to find yet, but we're going to need, find a place, carve a chunk of land out of it, and build from scratch in there a new house, shop, and barn. And we're going to take you guys all along for the ride, so hope you enjoy that. It's going to take us a while, I guess. We're hoping by winter to be warm and dry in there. It will be by no means finished, and that's okay. We just need heat and a place to cover our heads. So that is the upcoming future for us. I can't get over the snow. This is crazy. It brings me right back into winter, and I'm not a huge fan of that stuff. So, but anyway, thanks a lot for coming along. We will see you all in the next one.